Every abandoned building has a story waiting to be remembered. Step inside these forgotten places where time has stood still and discover the silent echoes of the past. Now, watch the video. When buildings lose their voices. Every abandoned building was once full of life. These empty walls once echoed with laughter, footsteps, conversations, hopes, and dreams. Every hallway carried someone's story. Every room witnessed moments that can never be repeated. Today, silence has replaced the sounds of life. Broken windows no longer welcome the morning sunlight. Rust slowly covers what human hands once built with pride. Nature quietly begins reclaiming what people have left behind. It is easy to see an abandoned building as nothing more than old concrete and crumbling bricks, but in reality, these places hold thousands of untold stories. Someone celebrated success here. Someone cried here. Someone fell in love here. Someone said goodbye for the last time here. Time does not only age people, it also ages places. No matter how magnificent a building once was, without people it slowly loses its purpose. Dust replaces memories, empty rooms replace busy lives, and silence becomes the only permanent resident. The saddest part is that abandoned places rarely disappear all at once. They fade little by little. One locked door. One empty room. One family leaving. One business closing. One forgotten corner at a time. Eventually, only memories remain. These forgotten places remind us that nothing lasts forever, not wealth, not success, not crowds, nor even the greatest buildings ever constructed. Perhaps abandoned buildings are not symbols of failure. Perhaps they are quiet reminders that life is precious because it is temporary. Every place we visit today may one day become only a photograph, a memory, or a forgotten chapter in history. So while walls may crumble and roofs may fall, the stories that once lived inside them deserve to be remembered, because every abandoned place was once someone's whole world. VidIQ.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.